The reality of now is I have never, ever been on the side of illegal immigration. Steve would just like you all to believe it because it's a campaign, and either he made this clip or one of his staffers made the tiny little clips that he's sending you to basically lie to you to believe that I don't. I am one of the most cooperative sheriffs in the entire state, turning people over to ICE. ICE will tell you, every single Border Patrol chief or every single ICE administrator or secretary will tell you that I am by far the most cooperative sheriff in the country, including California. The problem is that when I get asked questions or when I go into groups, I don't get whisked in the back and whisked out the front. I stay and answer questions until everybody's gone. Or I go on long form interviews and podcasts for 2 or 3 hours. So it gives disingenuous politicians, lifelong politicians, the ammunition to cut and paste and slice and tell you a different story of what is in context. So the reality of immigration is I am completely against any form of amnesty. I've never said that amnesty was a good idea. Only Steve has in his attacks on me. Every single person that has come across this border illegally knew that they were going to be deported at one point or another. When we arrest them in the jails, they absolutely must go back to the place they came from. And that has to happen by either someone in the jail, the sheriff, calling immigration and having them come pick them up. End of discussion.